Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, pag-uusapan natin ano ba yung top 5 crystals that I use to manifest wealth, abundance, and fortune in my life. First and foremost, I hope everybody is safe and dry with their families after the recent typhoon. Grabe, 3 araw din nag-uulan. Actually, ngayon medyo umuulan pa rin. And pasensya na pala kayo. Medyo weird yung the way I talk right now because I had some work on my teeth done and I am wearing something like a retainer, so medyo bulol tayo. But I'm super proud of myself because I got over my fear of going to the dentist. That's why my teeth is really... It's not nice. It's my insecurity. But I was able to go and I just need to have some things done. I have to go back and everything. So, you wish me luck. But I hope you will be able to understand pa rin kung ano yung sasabihin ko. So, let's start the video right away. Top 1 crystal ko. This is my favorite crystal of all time when it comes to manifesting money, abundance, and fortune. It's called citrine. Example of a citrine crystal. Ayan, ang ganda niya guys, diba? Tingnan mo pa lang talagang sobrang it sparkles, attracts abundance. Ang saya ng color niya. So this is a citrine cluster, a personal collection of mine. And I have another one here. Ayan, ang cute. This is called a small tower or a point, citrine point. Nakaka-happy yung kulay niya, diba? Yellow, the color of happiness and joy. Sabi nga nila, the more you are happy and joyful in your life, the more you attract blessings. Super totoo yun, guys. Pero syempre, itong mga to naiiwan sa kwarto, sa room namin na din. That's why I always keep a lot of citrine bracelets that I can wear. If you can see, I'm always wearing crystal bracelets on my video because I have a crystal shop. So if you want to follow it, yeah, Serene de la Lune. I've been doing crystals, studying crystals for the past 4 years. And yung mga i-discuss ko today, sila talaga yung mga crystals na nakatulong sa akin when it comes to money, wealth, and fortune. So, I hope it will also work for you. So, like what I said, I have a lot of citrine bracelets that I always want to wear. Pwede mo rin siyang suotin kahit natutulog to manifest more money. Ayan, yung plain bracelets like that. And to guys, if you can, wait lang, pakita ko ng mas mabuti. And meron siyang rabbit. And rabbit is also a sigil for prosperity. Kaya maganda siya. So, ayan. This is a combination of citrine, ruty, and pyrite. Also perfect crystals for manifesting money. Just to prove to you that citrine is my most favorite abundance crystal, I bought a lot of huge citrine display crystals. This is called the sphere. So, as you can see, it's so magical. Sobrang ganda. It actually spreads joy, positivity, and abundance in all corners of your room. I have it here in my workroom. Kung saan ako nag-curate ng crystals, I do all my businesses here. That's why I have it here. And then also, huge one is this one. This is a smoky citrine. May rainbows pa yan, guys. Sobrang laki. So, these ones, I really invested money on these pieces. Pero na-ROI ko na to. I bought this 2021. And I bought it for like 20,000 plus. Next up, my top 2 is this beautiful gold crystal called pyrite. Ang ganda niya. It's shining, shimmering, splendid. Medyo pricey ang mga pyrite stand-up crystals like this one. For example, ito, I got it for 2,500. Pero super worth it. The thing about pyrite, it's called fool's gold. It's actually paired with citrine. May citrine ko, ayan. Ay, hindi ito. Good combination ng citrine and pyrite to manifest wealth in your business. Good luck in your life. Sobrang ganda ng combination yan. Kaya if you're buying a citrine crystal, make sure na bumili ka na rin ng pyrite kasi ang ganda niya together. So ito syempre pang display sa kwarto, meron ding mga bracelet na pyrite like this one. It's so cute. It's called a rondelle bracelet. This one is available on my shop for only 1,111 pesos. So all the crystals I'm selling are legit high quality crystals. So mag-ingat tayo sa pagbili ng crystals kasi marami ng fake. Ganda niya i-layer lang sa crystals, di ba? Ang ganda niyang pang accessorize money magnet. When you're wearing pyrite and citrine together, affirm mo na I am a money magnet. It works 1,000 folds. I tried it so many times. For example, yung business ko medyo hindi maganda yung takbo. I just wear my pyrite, citrine, and ruti. Pakita ko na rin si ruti. Rutilated quartz. So, yan yung yellow crystal na mukhang citrine, pero may mga hair siya. This is a good crystal to manifest anything. So, paired with pyrite and citrine, you're manifesting money and good luck. I am a money magnet. Always recite that. And I did it so many times. Nagugulat na lang ako, biglang lalakas yung business. May papasok na money unexpectedly. So, praise God talaga. He always provides. He actually provides us with crystals to help us daily. Ako naniniwala ako doon. Lahat ng nakikita natin ngayon, si God ang nag-provide yan. At it's up to us to use it in our favor. And now, coming into third place is Tiger's Eye. Ang ganda nito, guys. Grabe. Look. Look at the color of that. Brown, beige, dark brown. Para siyang tiger skin, di ba? Kaya, it's called Tiger's Eye. And if you can see my curation, kinombinan ko siya ng pyrite and rutilated quartz para mas ma-attract na talaga yung prosperity and abundance in your life. For me, kasi mixing crystals is a must so that you will attract more, you will manifest more. So, it's also a protection crystal. So, if you want to protect yourself from evil energy or from bad energy, and then take away the bad, take in the good, ito yung perfect crystal. That's why I super love Tiger's Eye. This curation is available in my shop for only 2,960 pesos. So, if you're interested in this one, I have 2 pieces of this curation, and I do Reiki energy on all my pieces, guys. Ang ganda nito, super nice. Pakita ko sa inyo ito isa kong curation for myself. This is my personal bracelet. I have a dragon turtle citrine combined with Tiger's Eye. I love this as well. I wear it when I do my manifestation rituals here on my room. Aside from this, Tiger's Eye also gives you confidence. Ang ganda niya pagsuot, guys. Look at that! Hindi siya ganun kamahal, like citrine and pyrite. You can get a plain Tiger's Eye bracelet, depende sa laki. The smallest one is around like 400 pesos. The fourth one that I have here, for me, tayo sila ni Tiger's Eye sa third place. But I know you hear this a lot about attracting wealth and prosperity. Jade. So, I have a big Madam Jade bracelet. Ang dami kong mga clients na gusto nila yung mga pang Madam, malalaki, malahart, evangelista. So, this right here is around 3,800 pesos for this bracelet. So, meron din tayong Jade here. May purple Jade tayo, may dark green Jade, Hessian Jade. Iba-iba ang types ng Jade. Pero alam ko, naririnig nyo na tong Jade na to talaga. Lalo na sa mga ibang cultures, Chinese culture, na pampaswerte nila. Crocodile shape. I got this from my friend Jimmy. So check out his shop, chakras.ph. He has a lot of cute carvings of crystals. Guys, kapag naghahanap kayo ng financial security, jade is the perfect crystal to buy for you because it's celebrated and known for centuries na talaga across all cultures, sabi ko nga kanina, to attract wealth and prosperity. And also, this gives you a very calming energy that gives you that Zen mode to make the right decisions for your business, for your life. Pero syempre, it helps together with your manifestation and prayers. If you really want to attract something, put the right mindset that you will have it. Always say, affirm every day that I have it in the present tense. So, I'll make another video especially for how to manifest in your life. So, I have a lot of plans about that. So, if you have any suggestions of more videos, I will make, just comment down below. Of course, last but not the least, I have aventurine for you guys. So, ayan, ang ganda. Super cute din niya, guys, diba? Green talaga, it really attracts money. Because green is the color of money. Even, sabi nila every Thursday, magsuot ka raw ng green to attract money. Pag-uusapan din natin yan. What colors to wear every day to attract good luck and good fortunes. Ang gusto ko rin dito kay aventurine, aside from attracting prosperity and good luck, it's also a crystal for health. Siyempre, aanuhin mo yung mga kayamanan at pera kung hindi ka, you know, healthy. Siyempre, mas maganda, healthy and wealthy tayo, diba? So, magandang meron ka rin ito sa collection mo and wear it. Because it's really, really a good crystal to have. Plus, this is not very expensive. This crystal right here that I'm holding is available. And this one is 1,250 only. Ang ganda niya, faceted pa. that's it everybody. That's the end of our video. And yung pilik mata ko nahulog. Ayan, may pilik mata pala. Okay na pa ako nagsasalita. Okay, again, that's the end of the video. And I just want to run down again my top 5 crystals to manifest luck, money, prosperity, your life, abundance. ROI ka agad dito guys kasi sobrang lakas niya. Especially if you pair it with the power of your intention. Close your eyes and kausapin si Crystal. I-program mo siya. Please bring me abundance in all forms in my life. Ako ganun ginagawa ko. Nakausap ko sila. I pray and manifest. Lahat yan. Combination of everything that you do will surely change the vibration of your life. So, thank you everybody for watching. And until our next video. Bye guys.